Home Oxygen Company is now stocking the Rhythm Healthcare P2 portable oxygen concentrator. This portable oxygen concentrator is FAA approved for airline travel, has settings of 1 to 5, and is battery operated. All portable oxygen concentrators from Home Oxygen Company come with an AC adapter and DC adapter for use in your automobile. As you can see, when your portable oxygen concentrator is plugged in, it gives you the lightning bolt alerting you that the unit is charging. Let's talk a little more about the P2 portable oxygen concentrator. The Rhythm P2 portable oxygen concentrator comes with a battery. I'm going to show you how to disengage and re-engage the battery. Pull down on this little lever, slide out to disengage, line it back up, push in till it clicks to re-engage. Here in your battery indicator, you will see your estimated time left before your battery is completely empty. At a setting of 2, this battery at roughly 20 breaths per minute will last you approximately 4 hours. To turn your P2 portable oxygen concentrator on, simply press the on button. Turn your P2 portable oxygen concentrator off, press and hold the button until this screen comes up and you can see it shutting down. So on the screen, you have your setting, you have your battery percentage, you have your audible alarm indicator, and here you have your runtime. This is how long your portable oxygen concentrator has been on since your last power cycle. To change your setting, use the plus and minus. As stated before, this has settings between 1 and 5. This gear icon button, if you press this, it just gives you a status indicator of your portable oxygen concentrator. As you can see, there is an absence of breath indicator along with this yellow light. This is telling us that no breath is detected, so you need to ensure that you're breathing appropriately through your nostrils to trigger the portable oxygen concentrator. Along with your light and your visual symbol, you will hear the audible alarm beep alerting you to the absence of breath. The blue light that you see flashing is detecting there is no breath, so the portable oxygen concentrator has went into an auto pulse mode, which means it is auto pulsing to give you oxygen. To reset that, once you start breathing through your nostril again, the absence of breath alarm will disappear and that blue light will go away. Please be mindful, your results will probably vary. The nipple where you attach your oxygen cannula is safely protected behind the shroud of the portable oxygen concentrator. This here is an inlet that brings in room air and turns it into oxygen. You do not want to cover or block this inlet, otherwise you'll block the flow of air into the portable oxygen concentrator. The only maintenance for your P2 portable oxygen concentrator is this little filter screen. If you just pull down this tab, pull it out, run this under tap water, get this cleaned off, slide it back in until it snaps back into place. This QR code will take you to the manufacturer's website with useful information on this portable oxygen concentrator.